This is where Cole makes the magic happen.
Magic. Where's the audio come from? Oh right. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
We're just about to do an interview for US Forces Radio, isn't it?
And British Forces.
And British Forces.
Most certainly. Right, Dave.
You right, Lee? You gotta do the whole interview looking like that. Oh, he looks like a cute cat. It's got whiskers and everything. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Oh, Lewis. Say hello to all the ladies watching.
Meow.
Oh my god, we've got to keep a straight face now.
You can't keep a straight face, not with me like this.
Guys, see Lewis's face.
Right.